called Meow Wolf. The concept arrives in Houston. This is Dr. David D. Shine, and welcome to a special edition of Starstruck as we keep our audience up on the arts, theater, and entertainment scene. Your intrepid host is active with the Greater Heights Chamber of Commerce. A new member of that chamber is an entertainment center called Meow Wolf. Founded by an artist collective in Santa Fe, New Mexico a decade ago, the idea is a venue with lots of different art concepts, and the visitors wander through the venue and either participate in or watch different scenes. The website identifies the mission to, quote, to provide access to and inspire creativity in everyone. This company continues to experience growing pains while continuing to reach for new impossibilities. Each venue has a different theme and involves local artists as much as possible. In the grand entryway, there is a kiosk where you can see which artist works are installed in different rooms or scenes throughout this venue. Houston is the 5th Meow Wolf location and is called Radio Tave. The theme is a well-loved community radio station gets hijacked into a strange realm. The team behind the broadcast find a new audience, a world more wondrous than they ever imagined. It features artwork from Houston's culturally rich and diverse 5th Ward, basically north side of downtown Houston. My crew found it a little confusing wandering through the deliberate maze of colorful artwork. When I was ready to leave, for instance, it was a bit challenging to find our way out of the place. Regarding age range, another chamber group member had 3 youngsters. The oldest at 9, she felt was right at the minimum age to enjoy the place, and she had 2 younger kids who really did not find it that helpful or interesting. Per person costs are $29 for children up to 12, and then $45 to $56 depending on the time of day. There are various discount packages. Disclaimer, I buy my own tickets to events covered, do not identify myself to the event sponsors as a reviewer, and do not promise to do a review. In this case, I was a guest of the venue due to the chamber event and did not have to pay the admission fee. Dr. Dave awards Meow Wolf 4 stars. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Starstruck. Thanks for joining us, and if you've enjoyed this, please subscribe on your favorite platform.